welcome all of you beautiful breathing people to another guided breathwork session. In today's journey, we're going to be cooling down the body and calming the mind with a breathing technique called Sheetali Pranayama. So let's all find a comfortable seated position. Sit up nice and tall. Let your shoulders drop, relax, and bring a gentle smile to your face. And we'll begin by sticking out our tongue. Curl the sides to form a tube. So with your tongue sticking out in the form of a tube, we'll inhale through the mouth. And then for the exhale, we'll bring the tongue back in. Exhale through the nose. And you want to place your tongue on the roof of your mouth as you exhale. Beautiful. So let's try again. Tongue out. Inhale through the mouth, feeling the cooling sensations. Then exhale out the nose, tongue on the roof of your mouth. Beautiful. One more, in through the tongue. Exhale through the nose, tongue on the roof of the mouth. Beautiful. And if you find it tricky curling your tongue like this, don't worry, there's another technique. Simply smile, bring your teeth together. So we'll inhale through the mouth, allowing the air to flow through your teeth. And then again, exhale through the nose, tongue on the roof of the mouth. So inhale through your teeth, making a little hissing noise. Beautiful. Exhale through the nose. So we'll be doing 2 rounds of this breathing, followed by breath retentions after the exhale for 30 seconds. So when we inhale through the curled tongue, the moist surface of the tongue actually cools the air before it enters our system. And the evaporation process absorbs heat from the tongue and the surrounding tissues, creating this cooling effect similar to how sweating cools the skin. So let's all cool down our body, mind, and spirit with this 10-minute breathing exercise. So we'll begin by sticking out our curled tongue, and we'll inhale in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Inhaling as you feel the air pass through your tongue. Exhaling, tongue on the roof of your mouth. Relaxing. Inhale. Exhale. Beautiful. Continue this nice gentle breathing. Placing your full awareness on the breath and on this moment. Beautiful work, everyone. We're halfway done with the first round. Continue allowing this breath to calm your nervous system. bringing you into this beautiful present moment. All right, 3 more of these breaths. Last one, hold in, and hold this at the top, relaxing your shoulders, your face muscles, becoming still, and we'll exhale through the nose in 3, 2, 1, let it out. And relax for this 30-second breath retention. Let's take an inhale through the nose, hold, and let it out with a sigh. Take a few normal breaths, feeling the subtle effects of this breathing technique, remaining present. We'll stick out our tongue as we curl it. Round number 2 in 3, 2, 1. And see if you could start the inhale with the lower belly, taking full breaths and relaxing on the exhale. Full breath in, relax on the exhale, letting go of any thinking or tension in the body. Beautiful work, my friends. We're halfway done with the final round. Just continue inviting in cool air to enter our body, calming our our system down and bringing us into the beautiful present moment. 3 more of these gentle breaths. Last one, fully in. Hold this at the top, relaxing your body. And we'll exhale through the nose in 3, 2, 1, let it out. And hold this for 30 seconds. Alright, and we'll take a breath in through the nose. Hold this at the top. And let it out with a sigh. Sip in through the nose. Smile as you sigh. Beautiful. Allow your breathing to return to in and out through the nose. Placing your awareness on your body in this moment. The energy that you feel. Just remain here in meditation these next few minutes. And then go on and have a beautiful day. Much love to all of you. Remember to breathe and remember to laugh. Peace. you.